Hi, Scott Robinson, Vice President of Operations, Clausing Industrial. We'll be going through the benefits and operation of the V4012F Clausing bandsaw. There's a display in feet per minute, and changing the blade speed is done by rotating the knob on the pulley. Blade is driven by a 5 horsepower motor through a 4-range gearbox with a jog button to assist in shifting. This saw comes equipped with a manual adjustable blade guide to allow for different workpiece heights. It also comes with integrated air chip blower to clean the blade, and we have a blade tension gauge for different widths of the blade, everywhere from an 1/8 inch to an inch. And as we take tension off the blade, the gauge moves. You also use this same handle for changing the blade, and then just tighten it back up to where it shows on the gauge. We also have safety switches on all the doors to make sure that the doors are shut during operation. On the rear of the machine, we have adjustments for blade tracking to make it easy to track the blade if necessary. On this saw, we have a spacious 29 by 27 working table and a 19 by 27 auxiliary table with a working capacity of the saw of 40 inches by 12 inches. This machine includes a tiltable table that'll tilt 15 degrees left and right. It's got a locking mechanism on the right-hand side of the saw to release the tilting table, and you can relock it into position. Has a scale on it for degrees.